Hello everybody, it's Ben here from Nova Music Center, and today I have with me this deluxe jumbo by Guild. It is the F-250CE Deluxe, and this thing, I just fell in love with it as soon as I picked it up, started playing it. It's got this beautiful rich low end. Being a jumbo, I mean, you just feel every note through your body as you're playing it, and it's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna play for a few minutes with it. We're gonna go to the input jack, which is a Guild pickup system, and then I'm gonna mic it up with a condenser microphone so you can hear it fully acoustically. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today and checking it out. We really appreciate every view we get. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and consider sharing this with somebody that might be interested in these kind of demos. All right, well that's all we got for you today. If you're ever in the area, come check us out in Old Town Manassas. Have a good one.